Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and for this video let's draw the electrifying skull in Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this skull, and to begin we're going to draw the eye first. So we're just going to draw two big eye sockets, and it's going to be pretty much like an egg shape, kind of slanted inwards, and then we're going to draw another one, and it's going to be kind of same shape. It's almost symmetrical. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw the nose. So right in the middle, let's draw a curve like this and it's round it off. Okay, and then let's draw in the eyeball. There's some detail here. So we're going to draw another circle inside, and then we're going to draw one more. I know it's kind of hard to see, but once I color it, we'll be able to see this clearly. So we're going to draw one, and then one more inside. Okay, and then from there, we're going to draw outside of the skull. So again, we're just following the same curve. And then we're going to come in, dip in a little bit, and then we're going to follow the same curve on the other side. Okay, and then the little cheekbones here. So we're going to come out and then come back in. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw, let's draw the teeth. So from here we're just going to draw one line just all the way across. And we're going to hook it back up both sides. And then now this is going to be the opening of the mouth, so we're going to come straight down. Just come straight down. Alright, and then the bottom teeth, so we're going to just go up on both sides a little bit. And then we're just going to connect it with another curve. Okay, and then from there we can draw in the little individual teeth. So we're going to draw right in the middle here. We'll draw one line. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to draw 3. So we're going to draw 3 on this side as well. Okay. And then for the bottom, I'm going to simplify it. I know it gets a little bit too complicated in the game on the bottom teeth. So again, middle, and then 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then the inside the mouth, there's going to be this kind of glowing thing, right? Just like the eyeball. So straight across, and then we're just going to connect it, kind of like a bow shape. And then on the inside, we're going to give it just a little bit of a thickness there. It's going to be a different color. So again, once I color it, it'll all make sense. Okay, and then for the outside of the skull here, so we're just going to follow this line again. We're going to come down. And now we're going to close it off. Okay, not too hard, right? All right, so now there's going to be another layer to the skull. So we're going to draw another layer. So we're going to, up here, we're going to draw two little curves like that. This is almost like his brow. Okay, and then from there now we're going to draw the outside layer of the skull. So we're going to come down, and it's going to be symmetrical, so we're going to come straight down. We're going to go around the cheekbone on both sides. And now we're going to come down following this kind of almost the same curvature. Just kind of pinch it in a little bit. Now we're going to come, so once we have these two sides, just draw a little bit of curve here, right on the bottom. This is going to be his jaw, so we're going to connect it. Okay, and then it's got these two little flare things going on. So from the eyeball here, if you just kind of go out, just give yourself a little point there, okay? And then once we have that point, we're going to come down here. So we're going to go, just keep drawing these little curves until we hit the cheek. All right, And then on the other side as well, so we're gonna come down, just kind of give these little hooks until we hit the brow. All right, so now on the other side, so we're gonna come out, just anywhere, just somewhere around there. Let's give it, and then now we're gonna come in. So we're gonna go, same thing, these kind of little hook shapes until we hit the brow. Okay, and then one more on the bottom. It's a pretty cool looking skull. Okay, until we hit the cheek. And that's it for this electrified skull in Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.